Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Microbiology. Bingo. And without wasting any over time, let's go directly to our quiz. Term referring to fungal hyphae with no cross walls, has no cells. A. Adenovirus. B. Capsid. C. Coccus cocci. D. Acceptate. And the answer is D. Acceptate. A DNA virus that causes infections of the tonsils, intestinal tract, respiratory system, and the eyes, conjunctivitis. A. Adenovirus. B. Capsid. C. Coccus cocci. D. Acceptate. And the answer is A. Adenovirus. The protein code of a virus. A. Adenovirus. B. Capsid. C. Coccus. D. Acceptate. And the answer is B. Capsid. Bacteria are classified according to their shape. What is the name given to a spherical bacteria? A. Adenovirus. B. Capsid. C. Coccus. D. Acceptate. And the answer is C. Coccus. Asexual spores produced by a fungus, for example, potato blight, but not formed in a sporangia. A. Chemosynthesis. B. Conidium. C. Bioprocessing. D. Antibiotic. And the answer is B. Conidium. Substance naturally produced by living microorganisms. For example, Penicillium notatum, which destroys or inhibits the growth or reproduction of other microorganisms, especially bacteria or fungi, e.g., penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline, etc. Note: it has no effect on viruses. A. Chemosynthesis. B. Conidium. C. Bioprocessing. D. Antibiotic. And the answer is D. Antibiotic. Using living organisms to produce useful products. For example, yeast to produce bread and alcohol, and immobilized enzymes for the production of clear fruit juice, etc. A. Chemosynthesis. B. Conidium. C. Bioprocessing. D. Antibiotic. And the answer is C. Bioprocessing. A process of carbohydrate food manufacture from inorganic compound without sunlight. For example, nitrifying bacteria are autotrophic bacteria that get their energy from the oxidation of inorganic compound and not from light. A. Chemosynthesis. B. Conidium. C. Bioprocessing. D. Antibiotic. And the answer is A. Chemosynthesis. Jelly-like substance extracted from seaweed, used in experiments with auxins. Absorbs the auxins. There are no nutrients in this jelly-like substance. A. Broth. B. Agar. C. Chitin. D. Bacillus. And the answer is B. Agar. A strong structure polysaccharide found in exoskeleton of arthropods and the cell walls of fungi like yeast. A. Broth. B. Agar. C. Chitin. D. Bacillus. And the answer is C. Chitin. A nutrient medium for growing bacteria made from a meat stock. A. Broth. B. Agar. C. Chitin. D. Bacillus. And the answer is A. Broth. Bacteria are classified according to their shape. What is the name given to rod-shaped bacteria? A. Broth. B. Agar. C. Chitin. D. Bacillus. And the answer is D. Bacillus. Substance, for example, antibiotic, used to kill bacteria? A. Dehydration. B. Apophysis. C. Bactericide. D. Arthritis food. And the answer is C. Bactericide. One. Losing of water by cells or molecules. 2. A method of food preservation, i.e., removal of water from food. This inhibits bacterial enzyme activity but does not kill the bacteria. A. Dehydration. B. Apophysis. C. Bactericide. D. Arthritis food. And the answer is A. Dehydration. Contagious fungal infection affecting the skin of the feet, especially between the toes. A. Dehydration. B. Apophysis. C. Bactericide. D. Arthritis food. And the answer is D. Arthritis food. The swollen tip of the sporangiophore of the black bread mold, Rhizopus. A. Dehydration. B. Apophysis. C. Bactericide. D. Arthritis food. And the answer is B. Apophysis. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to microbiology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.